No, I can't.
Your mic is showing as muted on the Teams, Rizwan. It's gone away, but we can't hear you. We can see you talking because it's flashing blue, but we can't hear you.
Can you hear me?
Yes, we can now.
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. Okay, I put the IP address for you guys for your lab test, which you're going to attack the server. Okay, a little bit background. You need to test the cloud server. It's just not server is behind the it's running within the AWS management console. Now, when I'm creating, when I created this EC2 machine, I created it with the lot of weaknesses in it. And in the past, I've seen that students are still unable to get into the system, into this server at all. And the main aim of this test is to see whether the servers, even a vulnerable server, with the normal persons like you guys are trained in information security, but a normal, I'll consider you as normal persons, whether you guys are able to get into the system or not. It is a similar situation where normal people will try to, if they want to hack somebody, they will try to do it. The aim of this exercise is to see whether the server is resilient or not. Now, the definition of resilient is that if you attack a server, it should be able to withstand that attack, or if you are able to get uh, have a successful attack on the server, it should be able to resolve its issues and come back online as fast as it can. That is a resilient server. Now, the aim of this is when you are attacking, you just keep the screenshots, whatever you're doing, to what extent you have gone. You can use Kali tool. You can use any tool you want. You can even download the trial versions, and you can build up. Um, you can scan the server. In the by the time 1 week, let me know. I'll give you the monitoring um, graphs of AWS also. Now, with the monitoring graph, you can see that if you are attacking the server, it will spike up automatically because I'm not running anything on that server. Okay. So you will see whether the network has spiked up, whether the CPU has spiked up. If CPU has spiked up, it means that there are chances that you guys were somewhere close to its incompetent, it's somewhere in its component. Okay. So yeah, go ahead.
Sorry, Rizwan, just one quick question. If someone does hack it further than someone else, for argument's sake, will the system then lock others out, or is it you've set it up so that it can be hacked?
No, it's open, David. I've
Okay,
put it open. If you are able to go in, and that's why I wanted to see, David, is for the last 5 years, it's still surviving.
That's okay.
It's
As
still
long
surviving.
as long as it's not like someone goes on it and they restart it and then we can't access it.
No. Okay, now you will have very interesting things. And I'm telling you before because I don't tell it to my students. I want my students to research on it. But I tell you, but you can research later on. When you attack the server, I've seen that Amazon has a different reaction to your attacks. It will show you that the server is offline. So they have some mechanism in place that actually checks whether you're attacking, and they can blacklist your IP ref for some time, and then you can attack again. Because they know this is the private, this is my account where I'm running the server. So let's see if it comes up with something that will be interesting for me, because I've never seen any student. There was one student who hacked it, but his claim was, again, he told me that he's put the file there. I went into that. I couldn't find the file. So most probably it has some mechanisms. You need to research on those mechanisms. So if you see the lab test exercise, it's very simple. You need to go through IP address, where this IP address is located. You need to find the location, exact location. You can try that. Try Google Map, Google Earth, identify the building, not just from the address, identify the building. Because if you see from the top, you will be able to see, or on the side where you will be able to understand that this is the data center building, because it will have some sort of air conditioning or some sort of extra things that may be on the building. So you identify that it's your. Then you need to identify if it is possible that you are able to understand the IP addresses, any private IP addresses inside. So it's, you keep on doing it, and you just go through that exercise I've put on the in the assessment, and take. That's why I give you more than 1 week to do it, because I need comprehensive information based on that, so that you can prove whether the server was resilient or whether the server was not resilient. If you are able to hack the machine, you can say that a hacker can take it off anytime. So it's not, the architecture is not that resilient. But if you are unable to go, or some portion of you are able to go, and you can always say that it's so you have to give me your findings. Your findings are more important to me rather than this exercise. Okay. So main concentration is findings. So you attack, you come up with the findings, and that will be great. Did you get my point?
Yeah, so it's not whether or not you can hack it, it's more whether or not you understand what you're doing.
Yes.
And you're able to report what you're doing.
Exactly.
Yep, no, fully understand.
And
So
go ahead.
in the assignment part, you've got practical test slides upload here, which is where we put all the screenshots. Is that right?
Yeah, you make a report, you make a presentation, right?
Yeah.
And just a presentation, instead of making the whole document, make a presentation. You put the screenshots with the headings that this is what you have done, and this is your task. You have done this task, what you found, this task, what you found.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So sorry, Rizwan. So I understand what you're saying. I just want to clarify it for everyone else. So the practical test slides upload here and the cloud computing lab tests are the same thing.
The same thing. You are correct.
No, that's all I wanted to clear up. Thank you.
Yeah,
for that.
I think so. There was no uploading over one side, so maybe I've opened the other one. But I'll check it for you, and it is only one file you need to upload. That is your PowerPoint.
Yep, no, that's clear. Thank you very much for that.
The reason for this is also because a lot of people out there, they think that cloud is very weak, and they have a silo or traditional legacy set of mind that the uh, cloud system is very much hackable. And I found that it's not that easy. You can hack a normal server, which is easier, which is in the on-premise, but not on the cloud. So I purposely made this server very weak. And let's see how you go about that, okay?
Yep, that sounds good. Thanks.
And from you just start doing it, and it's all up to you. Now it's only practical things, only your assessments is left. How is your AWS going, all of you? Have you completed the AWS?
The first part or the
Yeah.
second part?
The modules, all the modules.
Yeah, the modules are good, but we haven't built our model for our assignment yet.
That's okay. Assignment is you have to do it by hook or by crook. What I want to know whether you have done the crowd practitioner. Let me see the analytics. It will show me everything. You progress. Okay. Chen has done all. David, you have done all the modules. Nice. Anish has done all. Good. Shanil has done all. Oh, course assessment unlocked. Good. Last one is unlocked. You need to pass the paper, then you will get the badge. Carol has done good. So you guys are mostly done. Nice work. Good.
Rizwan.
Yeah.
Just want to ask, what day will the theory test be?
Okay. This is a very nice question. Let me check. You have ample day. There will be no extension. Who asked me this? Who is this guy? I want to know.
Shanil.
Anish and Shanil. I will not give any extension for this because I'm giving you more than 2 weeks to do it. It's generally mid of June. Let me check if I'm not wrong. Let me check syllabus. Your lab test is 10th of June due. Okay. No extension. So how many days we have?
One of the theory test I was asking about.
Theory, 3rd of June.
That's public holiday, right?
Oh.
Yes, it's King's birthday. It's
okay.
Monday.
That's not good. Why the king was born on my cloud test? Is King Charles?
Yeah, but it's not his real birthday. It's just when they celebrate it.
Oh, it's just 20 minutes of theory test. So I'll extend it. Okay, somewhere else. When do you want to have? Just let me know. We do it of 10th of June. Will that be okay?
Yep.
So, yeah. Okay. You upload the slides also for your lab test, and we do the test also. It's much easier.
Yep. So in summary, we've got between now and the 10th to hack the site and build a report and upload it no later than the 3rd.
No later than the 3rd.
And then
no later than 3rd for the theory test.
Yeah. And then for the practical test on the following week, we'll start it and do it as a group.
No. Practical is all 10th June one, which is lab test, is single individual work.
Yeah, the theory test.
Your team assessment is the submission, almost presentation is 17th of June, but your submission is 24th of June.
Yeah, so we've got a while for those.
Reason is that I gave you presentation first because I want to assess your work, and then I can give you feedback and you can update your documentation and submit on 24th of June, which is your final report for your group assessment. Is it clear?
Yep, and the cloud theory one would do is on the 10th now.
Yeah.
Instead of the 3rd.
Yeah.
Yeah. And that I presume is based on the AWS modules we've done.
It's very easy. It's on concepts only.
Yeah. Okay.
It's my paper, so it's very conceptual. You know my paper, all of you. You've been with me. So I will ask you straightforward questions, not straightforward, Little bit different. You just need to answer it's MCQs based, okay?
So is it like
Multiple choice questions, mixed
multiple
match.
choice?
Yeah. Okay. So if your concepts are clear on cloud, most probably you will get good marks, mostly full marks. But I have not seen anyone getting 25 out of 25 till to this day. They always make a mistake because they don't read between the lines. So the questions which generally I give is you need to read between the lines and it will be easier. Nothing will be out of the course. And I'm not going to ask you very difficult questions like based on lambda or anything. Okay. So what I can do is, let me see, help you guys. Theory, oh, wait a minute. Let me check. Theory test is due on 3rd of June.
Yeah, next Monday, but it's the King's birthday.
Do you want me to do it somewhere around any? Because it's online, you just do it online. What do you think? Okay, I'll do it 10th. Okay, happy for that. I'll upload, update. I'll update. This king is, I don't like the kings.
You get a long weekend, Rizwan.
No, I'm not going anywhere. I'm working. You know, we had a crisis situation. Do you know the crisis situation? There's a crisis situation currently, but I hope everything is so. Cloud Lab test, let me check what is going on. Oh, okay. I'll change the IP address here also.
So the IP address is at 18.182.36.240.
Yeah, I make it bigger for you guys. Yeah, 182.36.240. And the due date is 10th of June. That's correct. Good. And once you good. That's good. What date tells we have? Let me see. So we have, I've changed the date, so 10th of June. Practical slides upload, okay. Okay. Assignments, wait a minute. Cloud Lab test is there. Okay. Okay, you can upload a slide on Cloud Computing Lab test also now. Okay. Unlimited plagiarism. Okay, let me see. There's a you just need to upload the slides. Let me see if anything else is needed. PowerPoint, yeah, that's correct. Okay, happy. Okay, and presentation online is okay. In group, okay. Everything is right now. So this should be away now.
Yeah, no, it says the 10th. That's
No, I just got rid of this. Present test upload here is 3rd of June, so it should not show there. Now let's see if we are able to get it. Let's see syllabus. Yeah, it's fixed. Okay. Just check your syllabus and it has updated dates.
can't see it. There's one.
It should be.
So I've got cloud computing 10th.
Yeah.
Lab test 10th.
Yeah.
It's those two.
Yeah.
No, because the theory is different.
Theory is just 20 minutes, 25 minutes,
Yeah.
not
So
more than
we've only got group presentation. No, we haven't got the presentation one showing.
Which presentation?
I'll show you what I mean. I'll share my screen as well.
Sure.
In case there's something I'm missing.
Mm-hmm.
So that's what I can see even after I refresh it. So cloud computing.
Wait a minute. Yeah, okay. No, it says which one you think not changed?
The PowerPoint.
The lab test PowerPoint, right?
Yeah.
Which is on 27th. Why? Yeah. It is on. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Lab test is. Oh, this one. Okay. No, it's 10th of June.
So we should have 5 visible, right?
Yeah, let me see again. Show me. Cloud computing lab test is available until this due on 10th of June. That's correct.
Yeah. It's the second part of that one. It's the slide that goes with that, the PowerPoint that goes with that.
No, the slides are inside this lab test. You upload the assessment based on lab test and the PowerPoint only.
Okay, so when we go start, it'll give us an upload option.
Yes, it will give you.
You got rid of the duplicate.
Yeah, I got.
Okay, I follow. Yep.
To end the confusion.
Oh, that's all right. I follow. That's cool.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Wish you all the best now, and have a long weekend with the King, King Charles.
That's the one.
Okay. Wish you all the best, guys.
Cheers, Rizwan.
Cheers.